In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Steam wallet in cash. If you want to top up your Steam wallet using your Gcash balance, here's the smoothest way to do it from start to finish. First, open the Steam app or head to the Steam website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using your own secure device and that you're logged into the correct Steam profile you plan to fund. Once you're in, go to your account profile. From there, click Account Details, or simply click your Steam wallet balance if you can see it on the top right. This takes you to the wallet management page. Next, choose the option to add funds to your Steam wallet. Pick the amount you want. It's helpful to double-check your region and currency so the value matches what you intend to spend. When you're asked to select a payment method, choose Gcash and hit Continue. Steam will show a quick summary of the purchase. Review the payment details carefully, including any fees or minimum amounts, then agree to the Steam subscriber agreement to proceed. Steam will now provide a QR code or a payment link. Keep this screen open. You'll use it in the Gcash app to complete the transaction. On your phone, open the Gcash app and confirm you have enough balance to cover the top-up. Use the in-app scanner to scan the QR code on your computer, or tap the payment link if you're on mobile. Follow the Gcash prompts to authorize the payment. Stay on the page until you see a success message so nothing gets interrupted. After a successful payment, you'll receive a Steam wallet code by text or email associated with your Gcash payment. Treat this code like cash, don't share it. Go back to Steam, open the Steam wallet code redemption page, enter the code exactly as shown, and click Continue. Steam will validate it and immediately add the credit to your wallet. If you don't see the balance update, refresh the page and check that you entered the code correctly. Once the funds are credited, you're all set. You can use your Steam wallet balance to buy games, DLCs, and in-game items across the store. At checkout, just choose Steam wallet and the cost will be deducted from your balance. And that's it, fast, secure, and convenient. Thanks for watching.